Hi, this is Jason from Seychelles, and today we are going to be taking a quick look at PRIMEXBT. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. PRIMEXBT was founded in 2018 under the name PRIMEXBT Trading Services in the Seychelles. In 2019, the broker opened offices in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They then moved their infrastructure to Switzerland. PRIMEXBT specializes in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stock indices, and cryptocurrencies. PRIMEXBT offers a maximum leverage ratio of 1 to 1,000. The broker, however, does not hold a license with a reputable regulator, although customer reviews are mostly positive. PRIMEXBT offers no demo account and only one live Bitcoin-based trading account that provides all its services. It only differs according to deposit size and trading volume. The minimum deposit required to open an account is 0.001 Bitcoin. The Forex trading platform provided by PRIMEXBT to its clients is in essence the software to carry out their trades. A multi-asset trading platform is one that allows clients to trade Forex as well as other asset classes. The decision about which platform to choose will usually depend on what a client would like to trade. PRIMEXBT provides its own personalized browser-based trading platform that requires no download or installation, as well as a turbo platform. The proprietary platform is equipped with more than 50 technical indicators and a full suite of charting and analysis tools. For newer traders to PRIMEXBT, the turbo platform is the most user-friendly and comes with trading histories as well as a social trading section where you can compete with other investors. The PRIMEXBT platform has better functionality for traders of skilled levels, although you cannot trade as many assets. PRIMEXBT also has mobile applications which are supported both on iOS and Android devices, which includes the same functionality as the desktop platform. To open an account with PRIMEXBT for the first time, you will be required to go through a basic Know Your Customer process. Firstly, on their homepage, click on Open a Free Account. This will redirect you to a page where you will be required to register an account on. Simply register your email address and password, which will allow PRIMEXBT to ascertain your submitted details and ensure the safety of your funds and account. PRIMEXBT does not require your personal information to register an account. Before starting to trade, potential clients of PRIMEXBT should avail themselves of all possible information and trading skills needed to be successful in the world of Forex and commodity trading. They offer a platform guide in the information section of its account, which includes information on how to bid, trade futures products, place orders, stop losses, protection orders, account funding, as well as safety measures. They also offer well-presented video tutorials, which can be accessed from inside the account. PRIMEXBT also offers their very own blog section, which covers a variety of educational topics, technical analysis, market research, as well as additional information on how to trade futures products, trading disciplines, and more. Also featured is a help center, which covers a variety of helpful topics, such as trading conditions, the basics of trading, understanding platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with PRIMEXBT. Overall, PRIMEXBT offers a fair option for trading leveraged cryptocurrency instruments. Very high leverage levels allows users to expand their returns on borrowed money, but this could be very risky. Traders need to decide for themselves whether they are comfortable using a brand new service such as this broker. And that is our overview of PRIMEXBT. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with Seychelles now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.